Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday, August the 11th. These are the charts of the day. Well, it wasn't a great day for the Wall Street, but a lot of stocks we followed did well, and a couple of our swings. Let's take a look at the new swing, ACHR, which popped another 8.3%, trading heavy volume, looks like 90 million shares, and it's right at resistance. You can see after a long downtrend. Yesterday's announcement with Boeing, I thought it was a major deal. That's why I put a swing on it today in advance. I think it's going to extend. Target 7 3/4, 9.5. AEHR, one of our favorites, has come through a base pattern and through resistance today, jumping 1150 or 11%, 2.5 million. Sorry, and it looks to me like it's going to challenge its June high, the all-time high, 126. That's my target. Beyond that, 140. BWEN, another big reversal day, engulfing reversal from 370 to 555, finishing 532, up 86 cents or 19%. A big day for that stock, and I think at this point we're probably headed for close to 7, and then 8. EOLS broke out today. If you take a look at the overall pattern, it's a beautiful bottoming pattern and broke through key resistance today. I believe the resistance up just above here needs to be tested and taken out, but if it does, we're probably looking at 10 short term. FRMI also spiked, jumped 28%, traded 50 million shares plus, and closed right on the breakout point. To me, this stock looks like it's headed for 8 3/4 and 10. Biotech IMMX been consolidating for 5 months. Today was a big day for it as it jumped 136 or 13%. It's up against resistance, though. Should it get through here, we're looking at 14 and 16. IMVT, another biotech we like a lot, rising channel. Right now it's parked right up at the upper range of this multi-week consolidation, and I think we're going to take it out. The rising trend channel says we're looking for 46 and 52. KOPN, big day, strong report, spiked from 445 to 551, backed off to 518, up 97 cents or 23%. That's a good volume for that stock. And it traded 14 million shares, the biggest volume we've seen in this since May. Now I think headed for 6.5 and 8. NEOV, finally getting that day I was looking for after 4 days of consolidation, a big engulfing reversal day. So I go for a dip to 253 and then a rip to 335 and closed at 328, up about 18% on 4.6 million. I like the look of this. I think we're headed to 440 and then 5 3/4. NIQ with a major breakaway gap out of a base with a spike up of 487 to 41%. Mine was almost 10 million. For me, at this point, it's almost natural for the stock to make a run up here in this range near the double top at around 18. And N had a big day as a big reversed, the engulfing reversal bar. So it jumped from under 15 to over 19, finishing 1770. That was up 227 or 15%. Mine was 11 million. Looks to me like we may be on our way towards 21 and 24. QMCO with a big day as well. Breakout. Got up to the prior high in June and blew through it. Right now my target's 26. Rapid RPD spiked up, pulled back a little bit, traded heaviest volume we've seen in weeks, and jumped to $1.77 to 15%. The long-term downtrend on this security software company has been broken. I'm now looking for a run that takes us to 17. SE, love this chart. I'm confused why I didn't put a swing on it. Long-term downtrend, base, breakout, retest. There's the rub right there. Reversal, little island reversal, popped up and it's exploded today for 1670. That's about a 15% gain on 15 million. Right now, looking for this to run to 150. Via Transportation, breaking out of a beautiful base a couple weeks ago, is extending it now, and I'm looking for a move to 29. And finally, ZETA, which has been on a tear in the last 2.5 weeks, It's gone from 19 to 29. More importantly, it's the highest level we've seen since the end of 24. We may very well run into the low to mid 30s at this point. And that's a look at some of the hot stocks at techtrader.com. Good night, everybody.